हेलो गाइस। आज संडे है। अभी सुबह के 6 साढ़े 6 बज रहे हैं। मैं सोची थी लेट से उठूँगी बिकॉज इट्स संडे, बट आउट ऑफ हैबिट हियर आई एम। तो आज का टॉपिक ये है कि मुझे एक इंटरव्यू के लिए कॉल आया था एंड इंटरव्यू हैपेंड। आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर सम एक्सपीरियंस। सो it was a technical interview from a good MNC company, and I was prepared. Then started with very basic questions, introductions, resume, projects. Then they started with small questions on React because I work in React. Initially, it was good. Then some question he asked, which I was taking some time. That time, that recruiter got fully angry. I'm like, मैंने बोला कि I know sir, just give me some time to recall it. He's like, no, it's okay, we can move it for next questions. I thought, okay, I might be this answered I missed, and might be next I will answer properly. But वो बंदा भाई साहब, जो उसने ट्रेन पकड़ी, एक क्वेश्चन के बाद एक उसने बस दागना चालू किया, एंड वो he was not waiting for me to reply. At least when interview, I think I give him many interviews, and I saw like they will give some time to recall it, to think. At least I'm telling I know, so you have to give some time. And to them, he got fully angry on me. No, if you don't know why you're taking this interview, you told you know React, you told this, you told that. I'm like, I know, can you please give me some time to recall it and reply your question? He's like, no, if you know you could have tell like this. I'm like, I'm not memorized these things, I have worked on those things. So I if you'll tell me to write the code, I can do that. But if you're asking for the definitions or some summary on that, I need some time, like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I'm not asking for you wait for my 1 hour, right? So my message was for the today videos for the all the recruiter for the big companies like MNCs and all. People will wait like days. They'll prepare. Might be they'll not prepare, but they're scared. Or many situation can be happen, right? So at least you give some chance, some time. If you're taking interview, obviously you have time. You're doing that. So for a few seconds, why to ruin anyone's life? Right? Might be it doesn't matter to you because you are already in good position. But it matters to other people, isn't it? So that's it. To the all recruiters, please